Hey there, crypto curious. Welcome to this beginner's guide on how to use Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step, so you can get started safely and confidently. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to create an account. Head over to the Binance website or download the app. Click on Register, and enter your email or phone number, then set a strong password. Binance will send you a verification code. Make sure to check your inbox or messages. This is crucial for security, so double-check everything before moving on. Once you're logged in, the next step is verifying your identity. This is called KYC, Know Your Customer, and it's required for most features. Upload a photo of your ID, like a passport or driver's license, and maybe a selfie for extra verification. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, but it's worth it to comply with regulations and protect your account. Now that you're verified, let's fund your account. Go to the Wallet section and choose how you want to deposit money. You can use a bank transfer, credit card, or even transfer crypto from another wallet. For beginners, I recommend starting small, maybe deposit $50 or so to get a feel for it. With funds in your account, it's time to buy your first cryptocurrency. Head to the Buy Crypto page, select something simple like Bitcoin or Ethereum, enter the amount, and confirm the purchase. Remember, crypto prices can fluctuate wildly, so always do a quick research first. Trading on Binance is straightforward, but let's cover the basics. Use the Spot Trading section for buying and selling. Set limits on your trades to avoid losses, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Also, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, right away for added security. It's a game changer. Finally, if you want to withdraw your earnings, go back to the Wallet and select Withdraw. Choose your crypto or fiat currency, enter the address, and confirm. Double-check the details to avoid any mistakes. And there you have it. You're now a Binance Pro. Crypto can be exciting but risky, so always stay informed and trade responsibly. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.